We're going to look at quadratic in form equations, and the key to note is our quadratic equations have this form. And if we look, the power of x here is 1, and the power of x here is 2. So the power has doubled. And in this case, if we see negative 1 and negative 2, there's a doubling going on. So we'll make a substitution. We'll say that u equals x to the negative first. So u squared then will be this squared, which is x to the negative 2. That means we have u squared minus u minus 20 equals 0, or u minus 5 times u plus 4 equals 0. That means u equals 5 and u equals negative 4. And now we can back substitute. We'll say x to the negative first equals 5 and and x to the negative first equals negative 4. This is the same. We'll take each power to the negative first, so x equals 1 over 5 and x equals negative 1 over 4. Right? Because if we want to undo this, we take each side to the negative first power. Because our rules of exponents, negative 1 times negative 1 is 1, and a negative exponent puts things in the denominator. Then we check our answers. 1/5 to the negative 2 minus 1/5 to the negative first minus 20 equals 0. 1/5 to the negative 2 is 25, and 1/5 to the negative first is 5. So that checks. And then in negative 1/4 to the negative 2 minus negative 1/4 to the negative first minus 20. And so that's going to become 16 minus plus 4, which equals 20. So we're good on our checks there.